Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your MIUI version and backing up any Game Center data you may want to keep. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps, then Manage Apps so you can see the full list. Make sure you have device admin rights for MI apps. If not, enable developer options only when required for deeper removal. This immediate setup prevents surprises and gets you directly into the app list where you'll perform the uninstall steps. Now locate Game Center in the app list by searching the name or sorting alphabetically. You should see the entry quickly. Tap it and inspect options. You can force stop, uninstall updates, or disable if the uninstall button is absent. For system-level Game Center, you'll need to revoke special permissions first and consider advanced removal via ADB or the package manager. Use each option in sequence. Stop, uninstall updates, then disable, so you minimize residual services running in the background. Finish by rebooting your phone to ensure the system clears caches and stops any lingering processes. If Game Center reappears after restart, make sure you removed updates and then use ADB uninstall command or revoke device admin rights under security to permanently remove the package. As a final measure, reset app preferences only if you understand that it restores defaults for all apps. This solves stubborn icon or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.